Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to transfer money from crypto.com to bank account. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now the first thing that you need to do is head over and open up your crypto.com app, and once you're inside you'll be seeing something like this. In order to transfer money from crypto.com to bank account, what you need to do is simply tap on the option that says accounts on the bottom left corner of the screen, and once you tap on accounts you'll be seeing this accounts page. Now here what you need to do is tap on the Fiat wallet app. Now what you need to do here is, if you haven't set up your Fiat wallet, first what you need to do is set up your Fiat wallet by simply tapping on it and then setting up the currency of your country, and it will require a week or more to verify your Fiat wallet. And once that's done, what you need to do is sell a crypto in order to transfer the money. So just simply tap on crypto wallet, and once you tap on crypto wallet, here you'll be seeing all your cryptocurrencies provided. Now simply select a currency and then sell it, and once you sell it, what you need to do is go back to the accounts option, and here once you refresh it you'll be seeing your Fiat wallet balance. Now in order to withdraw this balance or amount, simply tap on this Fiat wallet option, and once you're inside here you'll be seeing these three options. In order to transfer it, what you need to do is simply tap on transfer, and now once you tap on transfer here you'll be seeing these two options. Simply tap on withdraw option, and once you tap on withdraw here, what you need to do is select your currency, and once you select your currency you'll be sent to this withdrawal process. Now simply see this information, that is your minimum per transaction and your daily maximum withdrawal limits. And once you're done with that, tap on withdraw now, and once you tap on withdraw now, here all you gotta do is just select the withdrawal amount that you want and then simply tap on withdrawal on this button right here, and that's basically how to do it. After 6 to 7 business days, the bank will verify your transaction and your money will be transferred to your bank account, and that's basically how to do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if you did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.